Hare Krishna, Sadhu Pranam everyone. Can everyone hear me?
Hare Krishna, sir.
Let other also join. So in the meantime, what we can do is we can start chanting. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Krishna, sir.
Krishna, everyone. Hope everyone has chanted here down. How you're chanting, everyone? You do you have your bead bags or japa counter on what you chant? Nitya, Mayan, Akshita, Kaivalya. What method you use? You use the bead bags or you use the japa counter? Anyone?
Ma'am, sir, I use the mala.
Acha, japa mala. Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, I use the Japamala too.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, thank you, everyone. So, any idea what we
Sir,
have discussed in last
sir,
class? Yes. Yes.
I don't have bead bag.
No problem. You can purchase from any of the centers. You will get this is kind of bead bag you get. You can hang in your neck, around the neck. Okay. Because why it's used to protect the mala. It should not touch the ground, touch the feet or any dust or anything. So it's only for the protection. Okay.
Sir, and is it found in ISKCON temple?
Yeah, I will get in this one temple. Yes. Any
Okay, sir.
temple you will find it. This one temple will get it. Okay. Uh, any idea what we have covered in last class? Can anyone summarize?
Sir, we discussed about Achmanam.
Achmanam or Aarti?
Sir, about Aarti.
Yeah. So we discussed last class about I believe, the Aarti, the Achman, the Tilak and the Achmanam process. And and we completed something around Aarti. It's a theory subject. Now today, we will cover the practical how to do Aarti in front of deity. So we'll run a short video of maybe around 10-12 minutes. And then we'll again see what we have covered in the Aarti theory. So at least that gives you the gist of exactly what we are studying. Just give me a second. Let me know if you can hear the video. So at least The voice quality is not very good, but at least try to see what Nitesh Prabhu is trying to do it. Just can you hear the audio?
Sir, I
I'll
can't
just
see the video.
yeah, I'm just playing the video. No problem.
Sir, I can't see the video.
Yeah, I'm playing the video. I just want to clarify whether voice is there or not. So at least some part of the video is voice is not very clear. So I thought let's you can see my screen now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now you will see audio also. Voice is bit low, so at least hear carefully. कोई भी एक्शन हम लाइफ से करने का ट्राई करते हैं तो लेफ्ट हैंड से तो अगर को लेफ्ट हैंड से पकड़ते राइट हैंड से चला देंगे और मेरे पास ये ऐसा वेस्टेज का नहीं है, इसमें मैं वेस्ट करता हूँ, तो अगर मुझे तो मार्क्स लिख दिया हुआ है तो करता हूँ, ये हो गया। अगरबत्ती से अब हम आरती करेंगे, तो अगरबत्ती में आरती करने के पहले अगरबत्ती को पूरे ड्रॉप पानी यहाँ पे डालेंगे, और बेल को भी पूरा पानी डालेंगे। पूरा पानी डालेंगे, तो सबसे पहले जैसे तो सैनिटाइज करते हैं। इसका प्रोसेस कैसे अवेलेबल हमने किया, उसके बाद सबसे पहले प्लान को जलाएंगे, प्लान को हम प्लास्टिक से जलाएंगे। प्लान लगा के अब हम क्या करेंगे, प्लान को थोड़ा सा आंसर करेंगे, पानी के यहाँ पे डालेंगे और लैब से आरती करना स्टार्ट करो। लैब से आरती करके थोड़ी से जब में बैठ गए राइट में लैब के नेक्स्ट आइटम हम ओपन करते हैं, और जो जो हम आइटम ओपन करते जाते हैं वो 12 और हम वाटर ओपन करेंगे। वाटर के लिए क्या करते हैं, शंख में से पानी भर लेते हैं, पानी भर लिया। अब पानी भरने के बाद में इसको क्लीन कर लिया, अब से शंख से बात करेंगे। आरती करने के बाद हमारा आरती होता जाता है जिससे तो उसको हम अलग करते हैं। रात में आपके ऊपर भी पानी पानी की बात हम देखते हैं और इसके साथ मुझे बात सभी चीजों से आगे फ्लावर्स दे रहे जैसे एक चावल चावल को ऐसे लोग करते हैं ये चावल ऐसा होता है ऐसा कुछ इसको भी सेम है हम राइट साइड से पकड़ते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड से बेल बजाएंगे और आपका पहले के ऊपर थोड़ा पानी डाल देंगे फिर से आती है शांत बजाएगा फिर से शांत क्षमता वॉइस ब्रेक हो जाता है तो पता है ना वॉइस आ रहा होगा या जैसे तो ये है आरती का प्रोसेस ऐसे हम आरती करते हैं और इसके बाद में आरती करने के बाद हम भगवान को प्रणाम करेंगे तो ये आरती का प्रोसेस होता है अब आपके क्वेश्चंस ले सकते हैं हम ठीक है एवरीवन इसमें कुछ वॉइस आप लोग को सुनाई पड़ा है या वॉइस नहीं आवाज आ रही थी कैन नॉट हियर इट जस्ट लेट मी नो
Ma'am, sir, the first half I can hear, but the second half I didn't hear.
yes there was some voice issue I think so because of the video quality was good but voice quality was not very good ठीक है so now let's understand what Prabhuji was doing. It's very important first to purify ourselves. Take a bath, okay? Dress like a devotee, how Prabhuji has dressed. So he had worn the utri. It is called as the upper half. What the orange cloth Prabhuji has worn is called as utri. Okay, and lower half below abdomen we can wear dhoti. So that's the attire. Okay, so it is a non-stitched cloth, and eventually, anyone who is doing deity worship need to be take care of this. Okay. Next, what Prabhuji did was he did the Achmanam because He has taken the bath externally. Now he has to purify internally also to do Achmanam. So he chanted 3 mantra. Om Keshwaya Nama, Om Madhvaya Nama, Om Govindaya Nama. Okay. And then he started the Aarti process. Okay. Now each item what he had offered from the sequence as discussed in the previous classes. Let me take that also. So there was 11 item in the Aarti plate, which Prabhuji, which saw in the last class. Okay. Now, what are the 11 items? So he initially started using the incense stick. Okay. So at least minimum minimum 3 incense stick you have to use to do the Aarti process. And first purify with sprinkle few drops of water. Okay. No, initially he blown the conch shell because inviting everyone and seeking permission from Lord that we are starting your worship, and also inviting other members who can join the Aarti process. So he just blow the conch shell first. Don't open the whiteboards, not required. Okay, that's how Prabhuji did. Second, after this, he just purify the incense stick, did Achmanam, and finally he offered to the Lord or spiritual master. First, everything need to be offered to the spiritual master and seek his permission. And then we can offer to the Lord, to the deities in the order. Okay. First to the Chaitanya Prabhu, Nityanand Prabhu, then the other devotees, then finally to the Lord and Radha Krishna. That's how it's been done. Okay. Now, it's very important. We have to follow certain order. Normally, there is 4-step process wherein we offer 4 circles to the Lord, 4 circles to the lotus feet of the Lord, then 2 circles to the navel that Prabhuji was doing, third to the face, and finally to entire body. Some also do directly 7 times from feet to face the body completely, and that's also accepted. Okay, depend upon the process and time and location. Okay, then after this, Prabhuji offered the ghee lamp. Ghee lamp, Panchprada lamp, or normal one single wick lamp, that based on the availability you can offer to the Lord. Again, same, purify with these 3 drops of water and offer in the same order. Okay, then Prabhuji used the water in the conch shell and poured some drop to the lotus feet of the Lord, and thrice, and finally he kept aside the conch shell and the water which we have poured from that to the lotus feet of the Lord. Then Prabhuji has used the handkerchief or maybe kapra which is offered to the Lord, because after offering, the legs and the parts are wet, so at least it can maybe wiped off. Okay. Then Prabhuji offered the flower, because flower is very gives a soothing smell, and it is a parcel of Lord, and Lord loves the flower. Okay, is offered. Again, purify the flower with a few drops of water, sprinkle bit of water, and offer to the Lord completely 7 times from lotus feet to face entirely. Okay. Then after this, what are the 6th element Prabhuji offered? Prabhuji have offered the chamar. Okay, chamar is the white kind of. I'll just show you. Give me a moment. I have. So this is the chamar wherein it is offered to the Lord. Again, it can be offered multiple times based on the time limit. And then finally, peacock feather is offered to the Lord. This is how typical RT process start with the Achmanam, and finally end with the chamber, with the peacock feather. Then once Aarti is completed, what you can do is then again 3 times conch shell is blown. So at least you can seek the blessing that to announce that your Aarti process is completed now. Now please seek the blessings. Okay. The Aragya water, which what we have just kept on the other pot, it can be sprinkler among all the devotees, so we can get the blessings from the Lord. Okay, so this is how complete Aarti process was shown by Prabhuji. I hope you can start practicing some steps in your home, and also maybe based on the time availability, start with some and end with them. And during these each offering, we have to chant the mantras related to the specific for the spiritual master, for Radha Krishna, for the Panchatattva. We have to chant all the mantras and do offerings accordingly. Okay. So this was the something about today's class. It was very based on the completely on the videos what Prabhuji have showed. So at least you can see or visualize how typical Aarti process done in the R Sampradaya. You might be following some other process. That's also fine. Start using this practice and implement in your day-to-day Aarti process what you're doing. Yes, yes. If you have any question related to today's topic, please feel free to ask. And in next class, we'll cover about the Tulsi Maharani worship. Any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll ask Mataji to share this video. So at least if voice quality was not clear, you can hear it. This video can be heard from 4 minutes till 15 minutes. So at least you get the clarity exactly what was step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, and finally conclusion. That's all. Okay. Yes. Any questions or should we close for the day? No question. Then anyone who missed the chanting, please chant. Hare Krishna, Father Pranam. Thank you everyone for joining today's session.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, sir. Radhe Radhe.
Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe, everyone. Thank you.
Sir, I missed the chanting.
Yeah, so what you can do is you can take your bead bags, sit for 5 minutes, and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare. Chant on your own. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Sir, I already know the lines.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Hare Krishna, sir. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe
Hare
Radhe.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.